starting now. Hey guys, we're flying back to Fort Lauderdale now. Here's Carter.
I'm not sitting with Daddy this time because
Okay.
no one's
Okay. So we're close enough to the runway.
I'm sorry if you guys hear noises.
It's a baby, so don't mention it. We're still in Washington, but we're gonna leave. Whoa, that one just took off.
I don't see the
Capital?
no.
Okay.
The Washington Monument.
Okay, because
Or the Jefferson Memorial.
because we're not at the right angle yet. Okay, we're almost to the runway. Should be close enough now. I think we're really close to the runway now.
Come on, step up.
Wow, that one just landed.
Something for your diet. There's also, do you like Mountain Dew?
No.
There's a diet one now. They made a diet one. I saw it a commercial. Hey!
I think we're really close to the runway right
Here's
now.
Airways. Give the gift of chocolate. Let's put it in
Well, look, just landed.
like almost black and white. Ooh, jewelry! The Hobbit. Hobbit jewelry. Eagle. What the? We can use that for Halloween.
Yeah.
It's like a zombie coming out of the ground. It's like, I'm stuck in the dirt.
Oh, United's landing. That was cool. Okay, I think we're just about there now. Should be. Should be just about there now.
Jackson, look. Isn't this inappropriate?
What? I guess.
How can that be a statue?
I don't get it.
Inappropriate.
Yeah. Here's what it is.
Sorry for takeoff, flight attendants, please be seated.
Oh, we're taking off.
Yeah. Except we're not at the runway yet.
Wait, did you
First.
see that thing?
YouTube see what?
Never mind.
No. Don't mention it.
I won't.
Okay, good, because it's supposed to be good.
Ooh, butter.
Gold?
Butter.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Oh my god! You have to wait till we... You have to keep going.
Sure.
You have to wait until it's put it up in the
Come on, moving on, please. Come on. What, is there a line here or something? I don't see any planes right there.
Sure, let's keep looking at it. I don't know what that is for. Why would you want to stand up? It's more like if you shake down and relax. Hey, look, it's that chair. It's a double computer, like they have at your work.
Right. Traffic is that?
Ooh. U.S. Airways Express
Oh, cool.
is landing.
It's like, oh, you do it.
Just did.
I
Have to say just did.
But you have to stand. How come standing is good? I guess because that one's easier and it says
Oh,
it's a workout.
there's one right there. United Express needs to take off first, and then we can.
United's going up. The small United's going first.
It's called United Express.
Okay, United Express is going first.
Yes, that's right. It's going first. There's the buildings. I can see Washington Monument. I can see in the camera that tall.
I see the
tall
Capitol.
Yeah, I see the monument on the wing.
You see it over there?
Yes, I see it. I also see the monument, the Washington Monument. Caught on the camera. The tall
I see the
thing.
memorial.
Yeah, there's the Capitol. I don't see the White House
The
though.
Capitol's everywhere.
No, it's not. It's only one building, dude. Okay, our turn's next.
Every day.
Yeah, but I like it though. Okay, anyway, our turn's next. We just have to wait for clearance.
Part 2?
Of a takeoff? No. Oh, the batteries.
Ah! Ooh, the sun's setting.
Yeah, it's
Look,
pretty.
Southwest! Southwest!
Yes, I see it.
In the other window.
Yes.
In American Airlines.
Yes. Okay. Have to wait till there's clearance. Then we'll
There's
go.
a little torch in a cup.
Come on.
It looks like a torch.
Is it cleared yet? Come on, is it cleared yet? Should be.
No, we're the second.
What next?
The United Express went first.
Or next?
We have to wait, I guess.
Until there's clearance.
It's Coke and a Coke. It's Coke and Coke.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. The
Coke.
battery's running out. Come on.
Inside Coke.
Come on.
Yep, those are cans.
Oh, we're going. We're going. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go, YouTube. We're speeding up. Here we go. Southwest. Picking up speed. Here we go. We're going out to Fort Lauderdale. Whee.
Turning. Hey, we're still in, we're not in Washington anymore.
Yeah, we're in Washington.
No, this is Virginia, remember?
No,
We're in
not.
Virginia.
It's near the airport, dude.
We're in Virginia.
Whatever.
Over there is Washington. Or maybe we are in Washington.
Okay, YouTube, I'll see you when we're landing.
You were going to make a part 2.
Bye.